नमस्कार आप सभी को।
नमस्कार।
हम सबका इतनी प्रेम से आओ भगत करने के लिए बहुत बहुत प्रणाम करते हैं हम आपको। हमारा नाम है बद्रीनाथ
और हम हैं शायद बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया।
और ये है, बताइए सर आपका नाम?
कन्यादान करने आए हैं। कौन करने वाला है कन्यादान? मुझे ही करना पड़ेगा। Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Varun Dhawan and Alia Bhatt. We're very proud to present our first theatrical trailer of Badrinath Ki Dulhania. As you know, it's the second in the Love franchise for Dharma Productions in the Dulhania series. We promised to make 3. For that, you have to make sure the second one really rocks. The first one really worked for us, and the second one is Badrinath Ki Dulhania, and then there'll be something else Ki Dulhania in the third one. This is like a concept that we had to do Varun and Alia in a love franchise. Shashank Khaitan helms all 3 films, and this is Varun and Alia's third film together. They started their careers as Student of the Year, went on to prove their mettle in various other films before they landed up in the Love franchise of Dulhania with Humpty Sharma, and now we have Badrinath coming up. But we're going to talk lots more, but first we would love for you to have a look at our trailer.
It was to be very honest, it was really difficult, but I think I have this man on my right, Shashank Khaitan, who in Humpty changed me fully, and in this film he changed me. He always said this, that when you enter the office to meet me, Varun, just forget who you are, what your previous hits are. You have to just reinvent. And honestly, I'm a little nervous today because I'm actually feeling like this is like my first film or something. Because Badri is such a special character to me. He's so close to my heart. I just hope he gets the love that we've put in to making him. आलिया ये प्रश्न का उत्तर देगी।
मतलब मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया क्वेश्चन। हाँ, जिससे तुम्हारी शादी होगी उसकी जिंदगी बन जाएगी।
बन जाएगी। तो व्हाट डू यू फील दैट आप बनाओगी किसी की लाइफ या बिगाड़ोगी? इज बेसिकली शी व्हाट शी इज आस्किंग।
नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक मैं बिगाड़ने का मन रखती हूँ। होपफुली बन ही जाएगी और रंग भी जाएगी।
मेरे हिसाब से आलिया बहुत ही अच्छी बहू बनेगी।
मतलब बीवी नहीं बनोगी अच्छी?
वो पता है,
बहू?
बहू रानी। I feel you will be a good बहू रानी।
But बहू to the सासू माँ?
To the सासू माँ।
तो what about the husband?
That I can't say. I don't know.
ये थोड़ी ना होता है।
We've not done a film where we've got married actually. So we've always been before marriage.
तो पता नहीं है। तो how do you know I'll be a good बहू?
Because you're good with mothers.
What do you mean? What does a good bahu mean? I need to know.
नहीं, बताओ हमको
Only
जानना
a
है।
Punjabi boy can say things
usually
like
the
this.
sasu ma likes her, the father likes her, and I think
How do you know my सासू माँ
you
will
will
like
manage
me?
the whole family. I feel.
Thank you.
Manage?
Just calm down. We'll get
Yeah.
into the next question. Thank you.
हाय करण, वरुण,
Pleasing
आलिया।
going offended.
मेरा सवाल आप तीनों से है कि यही ऑडी था, ऑडी 2, जिससे स्टूडेंट की शुरुआत हुई, देन बद्रीनाथ का भी यहीं पे पहला लॉन्च था और आज ये दिन है। किस तरीके से आप तीनों देखते हैं इस जर्नी को? लाइक करण, आप दोनों स्टूडेंट्स के बारे में बता दें, और वरुण और आलिया अगर अपनी तरफ।
ये हम एक्चुअली कहीं और करने वाले थे ये ट्रेलर लॉन्च। जस्ट टू टेल यू कि वरुण ने हमें याद दिलाया कि दैट दिस इज हिज लकी। हैव यू अदर फिल्म्स हैव आल्सो बीन लॉन्च्ड हियर?
All films.
All your films. So we were actually going to be at Cinepolis. Not, no offense to everyone at PVR, we love PVR. It's because there was a wider stage, I think, and they wanted to do this dance performance. But then Varun said that, you know, this is his lucky auditorium. So,
हाँ,
yes.
no, you complete, then I'll say.
You sound so excited. I suggest you go first. Yeah.
No, I said that Varun said that this is his lucky auditorium, and then I said that whenever I've gone from Komal Nata's show for my cast and crew, my film has always done well. So Komal, sir, you're very lucky for me.
We have to come to your show, or
Right
Alia to has
before
to.
the cast and crew.
Yes,
If
right
you-
Right before the cast and
That
crew.
means you're... Huh?
Now he has two
You
shows.
have 2 shows. Acha, okay. So, yes, as you know, we're completely cool contemporary kids who are not superstitious at all. So that's why we're in Audi 2. What do I say? I'm very excited. This is Varun's 3rd film with us, and Alia's 6th, I think. I'm just like, I've said it time and again, I feel immense pride and joy. Every time they're on screen, I feel like I'm watching my own.
वरुण, आलिया, आप भी अगर शेयर करें अपनी। वरुण, आलिया, पहले आप मेरे सवाल का जवाब दे दें।
हाँ सर, आप लोग कहा
आपके
हुआ।
like.
हाँ सॉरी। इसके बाद you'll let him.
तो इस जर्नी को कैसे देखते हैं आप?
I'll answer.
I mean, I again बहुत ही जैसे कि वरुण ने कहा कि एक्चुअली व्हेन वी बोथ आर नर्वस लाइक इट्स आवर फर्स्ट फिल्म, सो आई थिंक कभी कभी हम भूल जाते हैं कि जर्नी भी है, और आई थिंक ऐसे ही रहना चाहिए, बिकॉज द एक्साइटमेंट, द न्यूनेस, द बटरफ्लाइज इन द स्टमक, हर फिल्म के साथ यही होता है. एंड I don't know, Varun say something. Piछले time भी I think Varun was talking the most, so I think
No,
you should talk.
I'll say something. this journey has been a journey of ups and downs, and I mean that in the best possible way because my character does go through a lot of changes as the film progresses. I had a lot of alcohol. I consumed a lot of alcohol during this film. There are some behind the
For the character.
yeah, so I mean, it was a very, it's been more emotional than other films of mine, which are more light-hearted in vain. This has a lot of fun, frolic, everything. There's a certain intensity and there's a certain change which the character goes through. So there were times when, I mean, I myself was angry sometimes on set. I was snapping at Alia and Shashank at times on set.
Sometimes you want to, Shashank, you want to tell the numbers of fights we've
I think
had?
we should hear it from Shashank about the experience because he's worked with them probably more than I have.
Yeah, Varun, why were you snapping so much, man? That's a question to ask. But it's been a very interesting character. Both the characters have been interesting to work with them because, you know, as he pointed out, we are entering a world which probably they both have never seen before. And just to get the language correct, just to get the Malayu correct, it has been great fun to work with them. And I think the rest, hopefully the film will talk for itself.
Definitely one of the best things about this film is that we got a chance to go to Jhansi and shoot. We got a chance to go to Kota and shoot. There's no Dharma film that has ever been shot in Jhansi or Kota before this. No, I'm not saying that as a bad thing, but I'm just saying...
You just accused me.
No. What I mean is that this is very unlike other Dharma films. It's a new thing for Karan as well, I think. This film.
It's Heartland.
Karan, hi. Yeah. The first part you all had mentioned as a tribute to...
Yes.
you all had mentioned the first part, Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania, was a tribute to DDLG. What about the second part? Is it a tribute to any...
Yeah, we
iconic
copy other
Bollywood-
movies every time like that. When you all see it, you'll find some 5-6 references. We are like that. We are not pretending to be original. Though we have been to Jhansi and Kota for the first time.
Okay, guys, first of all...
It's our debut.
Vijay ji,
Hugely excited.
Also, everything about Varun is wide. His excitement, his energy. He's like wanting to burst out of his leather pants as we speak. I can just feel his palpable energy right now. Like he's bursting at this moment. Right now, we're trying to like literally rein him in.
So I'll let you all in on something. So before, last night I called up Karan around 12:30 or 1, was it?
Your 55th call.
Yeah.
yesterday.
I told him that what should we do tomorrow? Should I speak in the Badri accent? Should I do that? And Karan was like, I beg you, just behave like a movie star.
No, he wanted to know what I was wearing.
He wanted to know what I was wearing as well.
And he wanted to know what I was
because
wearing.
of him.
I was like, how does that matter to you?
We were all summoned to send one
He's like,
picture.
don't you think you should wear something Indian? I said, I might look like that Air India Maharaj if I land up standing on that. If I wear something Indian. Like, I was like, how can you even... And then he said, no, we are wearing black and red. Why don't you also match with us also? Have a touch of red in your black. And I was like, okay.
Because it's releasing on Holi, it's a festive release and I'm really excited because
So what
it's my-
should we do?
No, it's my
No, but
first
it's a-
festive release. I'm really excited. We
Huh?
don't, I mean, it's my first festive release. We never get these dates. So, I mean, we finally I've got it after so many years.
You still haven't got Diwali, Eid and Christmas.
Arey, but I'll start from Holi now, then I'll keep going.
Arey, we'll also clash. Come on.
Varun, towards your left over here. You know, you are the only person from the young lot of actors who has not delivered a flop. This is your 7th film and all your films have been successful. And now you have 2 franchises this year, that is Badrinath Ki Dulhania and Judwa 2. So how confident are you about the 2 films and how are you looking at this year?
Honestly, I'm never confident. I believe in only one thing, and that's what my father's taught me, and that's hard work. There's no substitute for that. And like I said, I think what works, I think Alia said it very well because we discussed how we're going to promote this film, what are we going to do, and she said that, Varun, let's just market it from our heart, not from our brain. So everything you're seeing on the stage is all heart. There's no brain, there's no science to it right now.
Yes, Rajiv, you have a question.
first of all, congratulations, guys. I think
He's
it's
laughing.
fantastic.
Hi, how are you?
Denzel, what's up?
Hi, Denzel. How are you?
Hi. Fantastic.
By the way,
Shashank,
Denzel
I loved
messaged
it.
me and said, you look shabby chic in the film. Whatever that meant.
But I think it is shabby chic. I think it's very cool that we're going backward. My first question to Shashank.
going
and that is,
backwards?
Backward as in to the heartland,
To the heart.
hinterland. Backward instead of cosmopolitan. Sorry. Or New York, as you love.
He looks sexy UPite man.
Yeah, sexy UPite. That's the idea. So first, Shashank, my question to you, and is this actually something that is a trend, and are you following that in this film? And my second question, of course, is to Varun, and I believe it's Badrinath Bansal. So is there more daring or is there more dimag?
दिमाग तो है ही नहीं इस इंसान के पास मतलब मेरे पास जैसे कि like I said before also it's all heart. That's how Shashank has written this character. He first does something, then he thinks of the repercussions. Something like I was like that probably when I was in college or something like that. And I think in today's day and age, we all, including the youth, including children of today, I mean, we start using our brain for everything. We'll Google something before we do something. Now, this guy is not like that. उसको कुछ करना है तो सीधा जाके कर देता है.
Varun, hi.
And also, just to answer the first part of the question, that I come from Nasik, which you consider a small town or a two-tier city. So I don't try and put my characters anywhere that I'm not consciously trying to make a film which is urban or rural. This is the story I know. This is the story I want to tell. I tried writing a slightly urban script after Humpty and I gave it to Karan, and his reaction was so amazing that I said I'll quickly change my line of thinking. So this is just the story I know, and this is the characters I know how to write, and I just stick to that. So there's no trend to it. It's just something which this is a story I really want to tell, and I'm just telling that.
Hi. Hi, on your left, this is Sohail. Varun over here.
Hi sir, how are you?
आपकी फिल्म देखकर मतलब ये ट्रेलर देखकर गोविंदा की याद दिलाते हैं. Definitely from the childhood you've been watching him and he's inspired you a lot. So this was with a purpose, like, you know, because Govinda was liked by the masses actually. So, and my question is to Shashank also for this particular thing.
Do I remind you of Govinda sir?
Yes and no. I mean, we are all fans of Govinda. We've all grown up seeing his cinema, but I don't see any Govinda in Varun when I work with him or when we were preparing for the role. I think Varun is Varun, and I hope he continues working this hard and makes his own identity. So I don't see any Govinda in him, but I definitely see someone who's hardworking and wishes to keep entertaining people. And I think that's the only thing they have in common.
Yeah, that's fine. He's very talented, but just एक थोड़ी सी झलक आ जाती है मेरा कहना. Definitely. Yeah, Varun, what
I'll tell you honestly, as an actor, obviously I'm a very big fan of Chichi Bhaiya. I'm a very big fan of the three Khans, of Hrithik, of Akshay, of everyone who's, you know, paved the way for even for me to do cinema today. But I can't remove that. In a way, obviously, they are my inspiration to be an actor. It'll be unfair if I say I saw Arnold Schwarzenegger and I said I want to become an actor of Hindi cinema. That's not true. I went to Gaiety Galaxy, I went to Chandan, and I've seen Sanjay Dutt dancing, and I've screamed. I've seen Salman Bhai's films over there, and I've been overjoyed. So, in a way, all these heroes do inspire me to be a hero on screen. And somewhere in my performance, they do play a part because they are an inspiration. I think every creative person does get inspired, and you have to just choose the right people you get inspired by. And Govinda is a great person to get inspired by.
वरुण तू बहुत दारू पिए रहा फिल्म में तो
पिया,
गरियाए
मैडम,
रहा
बहुत।
कि नहीं गरियाया कि नहीं कि कोई के ऊपर दुल्हनिया के ऊपर गरियाए रहा
नहीं
गरियाया मतलब
गाली दी
गाली
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. वेरी हम्बल बद्री, वेरी स्वीट बद्री. पर आपको अब अगर बिहाइंड द सीन्स हम दिखाएंगे कि एक सीन में उनको बहुत ही क्या शब्द है उसके लिए, ही हैड टू बी वेरी वेरी drunk, okay, and he had to just be out there, and that was exactly what he was doing. He was like, Mark, Alia, I want Mark now, don't worry, we'll do one more for you, it's fine, don't worry, we'll do one more for you. Even then he was so giving as an actor. So that was actually the most entertaining scene I've shot. Actually it was supposed to be emotional, but when we were calling cut, everyone behind the camera was just laughing, and he was thinking that he was absolutely sober. He was telling Shashank, I'm fine, I'm absolutely fine, and he could not even walk.
And what about you donning the dulhania role? You must be in a very comfortable zone now, right?
Means
How do you explain it?
playing a dulhania.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, this is the second time I'm a dulhania. Actually, third time, even in 2 states, I was a dulhania. So yeah, I think dulhania is going with my my spirit. I think that is me. Alia equals to
But
dulhania.
there's lots more to Vedai than you just see in this trailer. We can't obviously reveal everything. We can't reveal the twists, and because in a love story, I mean, eventually it's about the love
What
between
twists?
two people. So there are certain things which happen in this story that turn around.
What twist?
With your character, something happens.
I'm twisted.
It's quite a twisted Dhulania. ये headline बनेगा.